In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the Transform Gizmo in ProtoTwin. The Transform Gizmo automatically appears when selecting an entity. You can drag an axis to translate the entity about that axis. Holding the Shift key will snap to increments when translating, rotating, or scaling using the gizmo. You can additionally drag a plane to translate the entity in the selected plane. Dragging the origin will translate the selected entity in the plane of the camera. Clicking the entity again will toggle the translation gizmo to the rotation gizmo. You can drag again to rotate the entity about an axis. Note that the rotation gizmo will snap to 1-degree increments by default when the Shift key is not pressed. Clicking the entity again will switch the gizmo to the scaling gizmo. You can drag an axis to non-uniformly scale the mesh if it has a graphics component. To uniformly scale the transform of the selected entity, you can drag the origin of the gizmo, holding the Shift key again to snap to increments. It is also possible to use the Transform gizmo to move hierarchies of entities in the world. You can click the button in the viewport to toggle between the translation, rotation, and scaling gizmos, allowing you to rotate or scale entire hierarchies of entities. Finally, holding the Control key and dragging an axis will duplicate the selected entities. The duplicated entities will then be translated by the gizmo. And that's it. Thanks for watching.